Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
This video is going to focus on iOS, but for Android, obviously you would go to the Google Play Store, but we're going to the iOS App Store. So the first thing you do is fire up your phone, go ahead and pull the App Store up, and we're going to search for TronWallet Me. So that'll just be a second. Pull up the App Store. When it loads, type in TronWallet Me. And this is a great wallet. Allows you to do all kinds of great stuff from your phone. Okay, looks like the second one down, TronWallet, peer-to-peer crypto. We're going to go ahead and download that. All right, boom. We're going to open up the TronWallet. And from this standpoint, we're going to agree, and we are going to create a wallet. All right, create a 6-digit PIN for your wallet. All right, boom, you got to repeat it. And now, this is super important. Write down this 12-word seed. Super duper important. Take a screenshot, put it in a secure location. This is how you restore your wallet if you lose it. And there, boom, we're in. We now have a Tron wallet. So that's all there is to that. And we need to receive some. So we're going to click on receive, and we're going to hit the copy button to copy the address to our clipboard. Then what I'll do is I'm just going to shoot myself an email on Gmail, and I will send that address out. So the reason I'm doing that is so that I can just go to my like Binance or hit BTC and go ahead and send some Tron to my mobile wallet. So I go ahead and copy that, send it, gonna copy paste, and give it a few minutes, and the Tron should arrive in my mobile wallet.